In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Stripe publishable key, secret key, and Webhook signing secret. These credentials are essential for integrating Stripe into your application, allowing you to process payments securely and efficiently. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to access your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your Stripe account, as this is where all the magic happens. Once you're comfortably situated in the dashboard, the first step is to navigate to the Developer tab. You'll find this tab situated on the sidebar of your dashboard. Clicking on Developer is crucial, as all the API-related settings are housed here. Now that you have accessed the Developer section, the next stage is to focus on the API keys. You'll notice an option labeled API keys. Click on it. This is where Stripe lists both the publishable and secret keys you need for integrating the payment system. The publishable key is meant for the client side, allowing you to securely tokenize payment details, while the secret key is vital for server-side requests. It's crucial to handle these keys securely and avoid exposing them in any client-side environments to maintain the integrity of your payment operations. Having gotten that far, if you also need the Webhook signing secret, which is equally important, you'll have to make a similar journey. You need to ensure you stay within the Developer section, as all Webhook-related information is here too. Navigate to the Webhooks option under the same Developer tab. Here, you can view any webhooks you have set up, and more importantly, you can retrieve the signing secret. The signing secret is important for verifying webhook events sent to your server, ensuring they indeed came from Stripe and haven't been tampered with. Throughout this process, please take extreme care not to share any of these keys or secrets publicly or within your client-side codebase. They are sensitive pieces of information meant to secure your payment processes. Consider using environment variables on your server to store these pieces of data securely. This method adds a layer of security to your application, preventing unintentional exposure. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to retrieving your Stripe publishable key, secret key, and Webhook signing secret. These components are vital for setting up Stripe within your applications, ensuring you can handle payments safely and effectively. Practice diligence in securing these keys, and you'll be on the right track to maintaining a secure and seamless payment experience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your Stripe integration needs. Until next time, happy coding!